Hi everyone, Mark from Sea Ray here to go through the features of the 2025 SDX 270 Outboard. Step on board here, we're going to start at the transom, but first let's talk about power. This boat is standard with a 300 horsepower outboard, or you can upgrade to the V10 400 horsepower. You have plenty of deck space here on the transom. There's even a built-in ladder that's deck mounted, and it telescopes to deploy into the water. There's also a handhold here for easy boarding. You can equip this boat with an optional ski tow pylon as well, although most people go with the water sports tower, which is electric folding. Over here on the port side, if you flip this cushion up, you've got your access to your house batteries and your engine battery. A lot of people go with the onboard charger as well. Your battery switches are conveniently accessed right here. More here at the transom. If you get the entertainment bundle, you get a remote stereo control. There's also USB charging for USB A and C. As we make our way into the walkthrough here, you'll notice there's convenient storage, and it's all drained, so it's a great place to put your dock lines when you're not using them, or a ski rope. You can also close off the cockpit area with this block-off door here. Let's talk about storage for a second. This boat is loaded with storage, but the biggest storage compartment is right here. Tons of build space storage, access to your steering pump, access to your fuel sending unit. Another great feature on the 270 is this huge sun pad. So right now it's a forward-facing seat, but if you flip up this backrest, it turns into a big sun pad. We'll close that up. So moving into the cockpit, this is a very convertible cockpit space. So these backrests for your companion seat and your driver's seat all adjust, whether you're forward facing or rear facing and you want to join the party in the conversation in the cockpit zone. There's also tons of storage here on the port side. So I mentioned the water sports tower. This is an electric folding tower available in black or white. You can also upgrade it to get these color matched accent panels, and those will match the hull side color of the boat. It's got a huge bimini top, gives you plenty of shade coverage from the windshield to about back here at the back of the cockpit. And you can also upgrade this to have tower speakers as well if you get the entertainment bundle. Over on the starboard side, you have a built-in cooler in the cockpit as well. Another thing I like is the recessed cup holders in the side. With the entertainment bundle, this will also get you the inductive charging. There's even more in the cockpit. So right under the floor here is your built-in storage. You can fit a full set of water skis in here, additional life jackets or other gear. This companion seat's really nice as well. It's convertible into a rear-facing lounge with this movable backrest. Over on the companion seat here, you have lockable glove box. Your Fusion stereo head unit is here as well. Over on the helm side, this is a lot of storage. This slides open to reveal a built-in head compartment. There's a pump out head or a vacuum flush head available. Moving to the helm, you have an adjustable backrest. You can slide that back. There's also a bolster that flips up for better visibility. Now that we're sitting at the helm, you'll notice this boat has the digital dash. Standard on the 270 is a single 9-inch Simrad NSX display, or you can upgrade to the dual 9-inch screens. And these feature the Mercury SmartCraft Connect system that's going to give you your engine data. This comes preloaded with CMAP charts as well. Over here on the left-hand side, you've got a cup holder. You also have the light-up toggle switches. There's a convenient cubby for putting your wallet or sunglasses or your phone. One thing I like too is just really the ergonomics of this helm. I've got great visibility over the curved windshield. I don't have any reflections coming off because of the vinyl wrap top here. I have an adjustable steering wheel that flips up and down. It's just really a comfortable seat. So we'll move over here to the walkthrough. Going towards the bow, this flips up and open and locks. There's also a block off door here if you want to close this off and really block off the wind blowing through the cockpit zone. Over here on the port side, there's also more storage. This is where your dedicated storage will be if you get the comfort bundle that's going to have the bow and cockpit tables. Moving on up here to the bow, you'll notice there's just a ton of space here. You have an extra wide lounge seat here on the starboard side. Over on the port side, you've got a really long lounge space as well. You have removable cushions for even more storage. I know I mentioned a built-in cooler in the cockpit area. There's also a built-in cooler in the bow. Again, recessed cup holders in the bow. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus you have recessed holders for a phone or sunglasses. There's also 2 more bow speakers here as well. And if you open this compartment, this will have a standard bow ladder. It's great for beaching the boats to get it on and off the boat so you don't have to swim all the way to the back of the boat. But if you get the anchor bundle, you'll have a through stem stainless steel windlass anchor. And what I really like is it also comes with a remote. So if you're looking for a boat you can enjoy all day with your friends and family and still have the sport performance handling you expect with Sea Ray, look no further than the SDX 270 Outboard. To find out more information, visit us at searay.com.